How can I fix the issue of callers not being able to hear me when I talk with AirPods?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll discuss a common issue that many AirPods users face: callers not being able to hear you when you talk. It can be frustrating when your voice doesn't come through clearly during phone calls, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore some troubleshooting steps to help you fix this problem and get your AirPods working perfectly. So, let's dive right in.
Check your AirPods microphones.
The first thing you should do is check the microphones on your AirPods. Ensure that they are clean and free from any debris or dirt that could obstruct the sound. Gently wipe the microphones using a soft, lint-free cloth to remove any dust or dirt that might be present. This simple step can often resolve the issue and improve the audio quality during calls.
Verify proper connection.
Next, let's verify that your AirPods are properly connected to your device. Start by ensuring that your AirPods are paired and connected to your device. Check the Bluetooth settings on your device and make sure that the AirPods are selected as the audio output. If you're using an iPhone, you can also try forgetting your AirPods and then pairing them again to establish a fresh connection.
Adjust AirPods microphone settings.
Sometimes, the microphone settings on your device can cause issues with call audio. Go to your device's settings and navigate to the microphone settings. Ensure that the microphone option for your AirPods is enabled and the volume is set appropriately. You may also want to check if there are any software updates available for your device or AirPods. Keeping your software up to date can often resolve compatibility issues and improve overall performance.
Reset your AirPods.
If the previous steps didn't resolve the problem, you can try resetting your AirPods to their factory settings. To do this, place your AirPods in their case and keep the lid open. Then, locate the small button on the back of the case and press and hold it until the LED light on the case starts flashing. This process will reset your AirPods, and you'll need to set them up again as if they were new.
Seek technical support.
If you've followed all the troubleshooting steps and the issue still persists, it may be time to seek technical support. Reach out to the Apple support team or visit an authorized service center for further assistance. They have the expertise to diagnose and resolve any hardware or software-related issues with your AirPods. And there you have it. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to fix the issue of callers not hearing you when you talk with your AirPods. Remember to clean the microphones, verify the connection, adjust microphone settings, and reset your AirPods if necessary. If all else fails, don't hesitate to seek professional support from Apple. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.